Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Uba balajit ku parsen rem ubala syajit kum u MLA bathamai jong ka Shela constituency haga election siteng samoy ke badang syukut haga arpusau tarik urisau arajar khat kendai menhaga singi thodieng jong ka tayo ka arpusan tarik urisau arajar khat kendai ula syapen bam smai kum u MLA haga jingyalang ka balalong ha kamra terekam jong ulampang ka yeng dorbar thau an ke jela uba met ba lengdo ka badon ha assembly ka barim ha kendai lat Shillong. Yo ba balajit ku parsen rem la senran lang do menteri rang ba ke jela u Konrad ke sangma harengkat ke jingi don lang jong ke menteri sarkar ke jela ki bahiyeng hasem ki nong yalam ka United Democratic Party ki MLA jong ka Congress ki basyong ha kaliang persya bakentup yo ba George B Lengdo ka Dr M Amperin Lengdo u ba Macmillan Bersat bat kiwe
I Balajit ku parsen rem, having been elected member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Congratulations.
Kani kadai ka jingjok buron burong ha kanam bat ka burong jong di speaker barin jungi Dr. Dorkot ngatrai kani kadai ka benta ka jongi ki baju ya tri lang bagi bangin wan bangin kinpok ki yang ya bukan sim benta ni hitam ban putih di kibati jongpa kani kadai ka benta ka ba kentang na ka benta juga MLA Shimet bat ngasngau bang ngidon kam bangin wan kai problem yang tadi jingdok badon from Balajit Central.
We are very thankful to the people of Shela constituency and all the workers of all the political parties, the UDP, the HSPDP and the NPP for really having reposed their faith in Balajit syndrome. And I think this election has been a true tribute to late Dr. Tom Cooper Roy. And I think today he will be looking down on all of us, especially his son. And I'm sure he's feeling very proud about the fact that he has won with such a big margin. And I think with that background, the fact that here in this election we had the UDP and the HSPDP and the NPP come together. And really, I mentioned this in my speech also, that really the personality of Dr. Don was such. His entire approach to things was such, his acceptability was such, that he was able to pull people from different political parties and work for a united cause. And really, this is the unity of the different parties, unity of the workers and the public in general, that has given such results. So this is what my take is of this election, and I once again thank the people of Shella constituency, and also once again congratulate Balajit for this tremendous victory.
I think from my side, it's not only me, I think the party as a whole. We have worked unitedly as one, and we had wholeheartedly, each and everyone has contributed to during this election campaign. And the credit goes to the people of Shella constituency. At the end of the day, that they have reposed their faith again in the family of late Dr. Don, where Balajit, his son, has won this election. The victory of Balajit Kupasundar has really proved that people of Shella constituency don't need money to make their candidate win.
Clearly, this election was not about money at all. This election was truly, as I said, about Dr. Don Kupar Roy, his legacy, and also the future of Shella constituency. And I think people of Shella constituency have decided to vote for Balajit based on the past of what Dr. Don has done, and also looking at the future for Shella and reposing their faith in the most worthy candidate to lead them in the future. And I think that was the base of this election. I think allegations being made by the other parties is something only they will be able to tell. I think we have no reason to react to it, or we have no response to such allegations. But our belief and our faith, and that's what we worked on, has been on the legacy of Dr. Don, and this election has proved it. Such margin is not possible, with just expecting that you can buy people with money. And I think an attitude or an opinion like this is really bringing down the image of the people of Shella. People of Shella are not like this. People of Shella are people who are really firm on their belief and on their stand, and that is what has led to this result in Sylhet. We are very clear and always been very, very clear. We are here to form this MDA government and coalition for the governance purpose. Election is something that will come and go and will happen. And in election purpose, we've always maintained that every political party has its identity and its political opinions, and they are free to express their opinions. But when it comes to governance, we are always together, and we'll continue to work together to ensure that we take our state forward. Any kind of maybe difference in opinion and any kind of discussion, debate is healthy in democracy, and this really proves how healthy the MDA is. Even though we could be fighting the elections against each other, we have proved that there are three parties who have come together to fight the election for one candidate, and other parties have put up. Yet we are here together to work for the people. So I think it's a very good sign of democracy, where we know where to draw the line, and we fight for the interests of our political parties and for the interests of the state, but yet we keep the interests of the public in mind in front of us while making our decisions. Definitely Mr. Balajit Sinam is a very qualified person. He is a person who has also shown with his capacity by the victory of the margin that he has received, and people have reposed their faith in him. So definitely he is a person who has a lot of qualities, and as a government we will be ensuring that his qualities and his entire skills are used in the right manner for the betterment of the government, and more importantly for the betterment of the people and the state as well.
From my side and the party as a whole, we have not addressed any kind of issue with regards to the new district of Shella constituency, because this is not the time that as a responsible leader to go and bribe people, vote for me and I'll give you district. I think that is very, very irresponsible kind of campaign that as a responsible leader. So I think I want to make it very clear that from our side we have never said even in a single meeting during the campaign that please give us votes and we will give you district. Even there are a lot of people, they have said no, you have to say at this point of time that district is one issue which people will vote. So I said very clearly that this is not the time. The appropriate time will come. Whichever deserves to get even district or any other things other than district also, that the government will work it out. at the appropriate time.
See, looking back and before the elections, I personally feel I have a huge shoes to fill in. And looking at the result yesterday, there's a huge task ahead. I'll try my best. And I'm sure that my seniors here, they will help, they will guide me in the coming days to come. Dan nanti hamum semua dia kata ngin ni lecture kata ila lecture kata dia kata apa kasong haga jadi lang metre lang kasong karkan ki lecture ki dona madana baro tang sila konstitusi kam dai maka jina kam jo kan dia jela ba howe kam dia ta shi constituency ting ni lekat bala kan penyo jang kam so manin kong e ki patwa bai kuat menta ti ki dari kasro ting ni lekat bala nya kata so kadang saya kasro ki ba sakten
makan nutli e gini ki surok ki badang sakten try ki ba pp
ki buat mo ki buat so ni ta ko ki buat ti bata kan jeran ban surok te ganam lah nim ta ti ski ki sami he gini ski la yat ke kam lai sei hi nga nam man chokolar ko maram chokolar te kan yat ke kam la yat ke kam sei hi